Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour today using Liquitex Basics Fluid Paints. I'm really enjoying these. My colors are Brilliant Purple, Dioxazine Purple, and this is white plus Brilliant Purple. This is a mix of Phthalo Green, Cerulean Blue, and Aqua Green. And then this is white with some of that added. And then I'm using some Treasure Gold by Colorarte. I'll put the recipe down below, mix them all the same way with just Floetrol. Then I mixed up 2 cups of white for my base coat. And I did experiment a little sample to see how these colors went together. And I scraped up all the, the results of that and added them to one of my cups of white so I can do a split base. However, when I did that, look how close it came to this color. So I'm going to have to change this somehow. And I'm thinking I will add, I think I might add a little bit of each of these. Let's do that and see what color we get. It'll be smarter to add this one first. Let's see, just a stick full. I will flood the canvas off camera because it takes a little while. I'm going to be using a large canvas again, 12 by 36. And I want to make sure I have enough and get good coverage and scrape up the drippings. So, okay, that's still pretty close to this. It's a little darker, but I think it might be fun to add a little bit of purple to it. Let's see. What I get by doing that. That's pretty. It's kind of a lilac color almost. I guess I'm using it. What else can I do? It's kind of a, doesn't really go with those now, but it will because these colors are in there, so it's going to work. Okay, so let me clear my space here, get the base coat down, and I shall return. Okay, I have my base coat down. I had to zoom way out so you can see the whole thing. As I mentioned, this is a 12 by 36. I messed with that color I had mixed for you earlier. It's a little more blue, and then I felt it kind of stuck out with these other colors, so I spotted this one on my table, which is also in the blue family. It's got a bunch of colors in there, including silver, so a bit of shimmer. So now I have 2 blues, 2 greens, and 3 violets, and I think hopefully that will work on here. So here we go. Let's hope, fingers crossed please, that I can do this without any repairs. Let's see, I want to kind of come this way. I think. That other blue. Oh, I'm going to have so much paint left over. Maybe I should add another something to this. Oh, I don't know. Colors are pretty. I hope they look nice blown out. Now, do I have enough on there? I think I do. I want to keep my negative space. All right. Wish me luck. I don't like that. The rest, I mean, I rather like the movement. I haven't jagged anything up yet. Maybe I could be happy if I did that. But let's see. Maybe some of that lovely... Maybe some of this color here. Okay. Why did I do that? I don't like that. Go back. Okay, I can live with that. Oh. Actually, I like that. I'll do that again over here. Okay. Okay, well, I think I might be okay with it. Still have some nice negative space. Not too much. I'm glad I didn't add more paint to my initial lay down there because I was tempted to. I almost did. You know, my friends, I think I like it. I think I'm done. I like the little wispy things here and there. Oh, there's a hair. Where do they come from? This just must be in the air. You know, I was watching a guy do some resin pieces, a resin tutorial, and he gave a great tip. He sprays the air with a water bottle just to settle everything down before he does his resin. And maybe I should try doing that before I do a pour. That's a pretty good idea to get all that stuff that's floating down. Try to remember that next time. Let's see, I gotta change up these odd little protrusions. Yeah, I think they're okay. I'm leaving it. I am going to stop fussing with it and let it dry. Let me bring you in and we'll look at some of these areas a little closer. I think the cells there are due to the treasure gold. What color was it? Aquamarine. I don't mind those cells. I'm not a big fan of cells in Dutch pours. And when you use metallics, you're going to get cells. But if they don't get any bigger than that, I'm fine with that. And they didn't on that last one. So this is about as many as I care to see. Oh, even pretty on the side there. That phthalo green is a lovely color. This is so big. I don't know if I can reach across. I guess I can go like this. Yeah, I think it's quite pretty. Well, there we go. Let me know what you think, my friends, and I'll see you next time.